Hello, this is chapter review 11, number 2. Find the volume of the cylinder in terms of pi. Show all work. Okay, so um, here we are with a cylinder with a radius of 8, and all I have to do is find the volume. So it's pi times r times the height of the shape. So in this problem, it's going to be 8 times 8 times 11 times pi. It says leave it in terms of pi. So 64 times 11. 4, 6, 4, 6. So 14, 700. So 704 pi. Next one, find the surface area and the volume of the square pyramid. All right, so to find the surface area, I'm going to find the area of the bottom. So that's going to equal 12 by 12, which is 144. And then I have a triangle, and I need to find the height of each one of these triangles. So to do that, I'm going to have to do a squared plus b squared equals c squared. And all the way across is 12, so halfway is 6. So 6 squared plus the distance in the back is 10 squared equals c squared. And I'm going to take the shortcut from here. So it'll be 36 plus 100 equals c squared. I might as well go ahead and finish it. So 136c is going to equal c squared. And so 11.7 is going to equal c. So each triangle, the base is 12. The height is going to be 11.7. And I have 4 of those triangles. And the formula for a triangle's base times height divided by 2. So I do all of that, and I end up with 280.8. So plus the 144 will give me 424.8. And to find the volume, the base, 12 times 12 times the height of the shape, which is 10. And then I'm going to have to divide that by 3 because it comes to a point. And so that'll give me 480. Next one, sphere. The volume. Volume is equal to pi times r times 4 pi. So 4 times pi times r times r times r, all divided by 3. So substituting, I'm going to have 4 times 3.14 times 5 times 5 times 5, all divided by 3, which is going to give me 1797.5. And the next one, find the surface area and the volume. Okay, so again, I have to find the height of this triangle. So if you take a look at it, it's going to be, this is 15. This is going to be 7.5. And I'm trying to find the height of the triangle. So I'm going to take the shortcut on this one. Square root of 15 squared minus 7 squared, because I know the hypotenuse I'm going to subtract. So doing that, I'm going to end up with 13.3. It's going to equal the height. 13.3. So area of the base, so surface area is going to be triangle, base times height divided by 2. So the base is 15, the height is 13.3 divided by 2. And then I have 2 of those, so those cancel. So that'll give me 199.5. Then for the sides, I have rectangles, and those are 22 by 15, and I have 3 of them. And when I do that, I'll get 990. So when I add these two together, I end up with 1189.5. All right, so for the volume is the area of the base. So 15 times 13.3 divided by 2 times the height of the shape, which is 22. And multiplying that out will give me 2,194.5. And the last one, I'm going to call this 1 and call this area 2. So 1, the dimensions are 2 by 5 by 6. 2 by 5 by 6, which is going to give me 60. And dimension 2 is 3 by 8 by 5, which is going to give me 120. Add them together, give me 180.